Ngithembisile ukuthi masibuya la sidongena kwenyanga lesha wamangala ukuthi lokhuluma ngenyanga leshayani sik-23 ke la inyanga isengapheli utova ngilokuchazela kenyalo ma calendars nalamanyeni kune Gregorian calendar kune lunar calendar sine African calendar kule nyanga lesikhuluma ngayo nje omunye uholile bekuphela inyanga ngise mangimfunela ngini la itolo ngangamtholo wabona ukuthi no usebenzisa calendar le kahle la Nkokomukhada kwamkele la msakadweni kunjani
Ngiyaphila Khehla kunjani?
Ngiyaphila no inyanga yakho iphela mhla ka-23 phinze icale la manje ngisemangufuna intolo kwabonakala ukuthi uholile la
I don't know right ngalabantu laba abahola nge-25 uyazi ukuthi nge-25 kune chaos eningabi kakhulu wena Khehla lami kodwa sisazoyiqhaqha-ke ukuthi why siqala inyanga yethu nge-23.
Ngijabula ngeligama lethu lesintu yathi ngendlela lichaza ngayo lenyanga le lithi umlaphikazi ayikabuki mhlambe nemuntu nje ibuke cishe sonke lesimo kumbe le month lesiyobe sibukene nayo le healing month yasekumet so masikhuluma ngalenyanga lena sikhuluma ngenyanga yani
Sokoza mkhulu I think mhlambe singayiqala from Sunday lesibuya kuye so kule sonto lesibuya kuyo singene enyangeni entsha kahle right kodwa kulo msebenzi lo siwenzayo sisazama ukulungisa indlu emnyama ngithi so ngalelo daba si create i-calendar to be a little bit more consistent kodwa mesibheke imvelo yona yiyo decideayo ukuthi kahle inyanga iqala nini so kule sonto lesiphuma kuyo singene enyangeni entsha so kahle if sifuna ukuba accurate inyanga yethu iqale lapho kodwa kule calendar sisebenzisayo abanye bathi African calendar Southern Hemisphere calendar mina ngiyithanda ukuyibiza i-calendar yakwantu ngoba ithu abantu right
yes.
And it's a system created abokhokho bethu right labe babheka ukuthi inyanga ihleli kanjani inkanyezi esikhona kwamanje zithini ilanga ipositioning yelanga linjani you know so that is how our ancients bona bebaqhaqha isikhathi nenyanga nokuthi okay sekuyashintsha kwamanje so kule period lesingene kuyo wena Khehla njengoba ushilo ukuthi inyanga yabelaphi whether you are contemporary healer modern age healer new age healer or healer yasemandulo or ungakathupye or ungaka efeng but this is a season yabelaphi this is a season yokwelapha as well you know Khehla so kule season le esibuya kuyo besithi season ka-antu kapa uqaphikazi kapa mulibeledi mohlolagadi but just that deity le ithi sivuma ukufa right so kubanye abantu it became in physical terms you know ukuthi okay ba experience mhlawumbe umuntu oshonile emndenini or abangani izinto ezinjalo so those are the things esiz expectaya ngaleso sikhathi kodwa mekuthiwa vuma ukufa it's actually speaking about izinto zenyama right so you're dying your physical self is dying so ngena esikhathini somoya so le season lesibuya kuyo ka-antu besi-prepare kulesikhathi lesingena kuso manje so lesikhathi lesesingena kuso Khehla isikhathi sentwaso kahle so mandulo abelaphi bebazi ukuthi okay kumele ngibheke ukuthi inkanyezi zithini inyanga ithini ukuthi ngizofaka ithwasana lami ephehlweni ngalesikhathi lesi right unlike namhlanje mhlawumbe umuntu uyangena January February March April May all the way to December ayangeni ngesikhathi esi-right which is the problem esi-experienceayo as abantu abansundu today we are misaligned you know asihambi ngesikhathi semvelo asihambi ngesikhathi zeyinkanyezi so consistently sihlezi singama-victims of colonization and I think alo msebenzi osenzayo wena Khehla it's calling us to be victors you know ukuthi siz-understand because number one rule esintwini ukuthi kumele uzazi ukuthi ubani and a lot of scholars by-plagiarizile ama-Greek bafika bathi know thyself and to thyself be true but the core message ithi kumele uzazi ukuthi ubani wena as umuntu you know and I'm liking le awakening enzakalayo Khehla abantu bayavuka abantu sebaya-questiona you know thina sikhule ngalesikhathi lesi bakutshela ukuthi hayi kunjalo you know awuphiwa ama-answer you know bakutshela ukuthi hayi kunjalo bebenza kanjalo mandulo so kulesikhathi lesi I'm sure senzwile bathi it's the age of Aquarius or the age of knowledge or the age of knowing so siyafika thina-ke and we're providing this information to help us better understand and to help us better as into emnyama si-align sihambisane nemvelo ngoba ithina imvelo you know and nemvelo yithi as well so lesikhathi lesi wena Khehla you touched on ukuthi i-23 ne so inyanga yethu iqala nge-23 zika-May up until i-23 zika-June. So why inyanga yethu ingapheli ngeyi-22 mariphela the very same day kuqala entsha. So thina zabantu abamnyama Khehla njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sihambisana nemvelo. So asikwazi ukuthi ilanga elisha liqala in the middle of the night. Silele ilanga liqala kanjani? Ilanga liqala when ilanga livuka nalo ekuseni. So the sunrise is actually the beginning of the day. So that is why mesazama ukuthi si-align nale calendar yaba Gregorian nale calendar le yesintu sethu sisazama ukufunda that common ground. So that is why we end the old season on the 23rd and we begin a new season on the very same 23rd. Kodwa iqala when the sun rises. Njengoba manje ngithi ilanga seliphumile. So singene kulesikhathi lesi sika Sekhmet Bast, right? So Sekhmet Bast, for those mhlawumbe bake babona or who are familiar or curious about Kemetic literature. And iKemet angifuni ukuthi abantu bacanga ukuthi iKemet is something that is outside of you, as umuntu omnyama kuse yakho. So let's understand the history wena Khehla. Siyazi ukuthi Africa, that is the cradle of humankind, or la impilo iqale khona, right? So what had happened also ngalama university wethu, okay, there's different people bake bafika, abanye bafikile bathatha lo lwazi bawuphilisa emhlabeni wabo, then abanye basasekhona namhlanje, so that is why a lot of black people banaleyo resistance, because lento le into yama-Arab, kodwa akusinto yama-Arab itshontshiwe njengoba nale Bible olaziyo is stolen knowledge nalo, and I would or anything like that. I think most of us siqale from that basis, that was our foundation, and then obviously more so cool, you need to question things, So even Nani, who are already in the space here where you're feeling good, as I've arrived, now Melo's question, lezo zinto that you believe in, now is the question, that is how ukhula emoyeni, So ngicela ukuthi mhlambe singaqala la with the things that help us better align nalo moya lo okhona, lo moya ka Sekhmet Bast, lo moya of healing. So these are the physical tools mhlambe ongasebenzisa to better be in alignment. So these are things that you're going to use emsamo wakho, kapa your sacred corner, kapa sikhutlwane sakho, your shrine, or on yourself, like your crystals you can put on your being. So njengoba ngishilo ukuthi siqala nge-23 ka-May up until nge-23 ka-June lo moya lo ozobo ukhona or okhona in intensity. And then ikhala yale season lena Khehla is orange. Uma ngikhuluma ngekhala Khehla, I think mhlawumbe for most people who maybe have tried ukuthi okay eating be in alignment or bake bayohlola or bahamba lamasonto moya, that the times la bakutshela ukuthi usebenzise ikhandlela elithize or uthenge indwangu ethize. So okhokho understood ukuthi ikhala nayo ine vibration, inenkulumo yayo ukuthi ithini, why do I use a certain color of a thing? So you're going to use the orange color, whether it's going to be iduku ozoyigqoka or ikhandlela ozolighta or ibhayi ozoliqgoka, but just make sure that you are always in the frequency of orange. Abelumbi nabo have things called color therapy, right, with different colors keep a different message, right? So the ancients knew that, so that is why also every time sizokhuluma ngale zinto lezi sizomenshina indaba yekhala. As much as color vibrates, language also vibrates, right? So it's unfortunate ukuthi kulolu hambo, a lot of us sike saba ama-victims or sisasama-victims we-colonization. So I think with the work that you're doing when Khehla siyabonga ngale platform ekanje, the work that you're doing and all these platforms, this is an attempt to buyele emandulo, siz understand, because we also understand ukuthi nale language le yabo, lo lwimi lwabo low vibrator kabi, it's a very low vibrational language, but it's unfortunate ke ukuthi thina abanye sisa transition, so motoli tansi. I think the first start point ingaba lapho ukuthi okay Eric understand lelimi lakhe ngiphilise ulwimi lwami because our language is also ane-vibration yayo and obviously mosokhuluma emoyeni awusakhulumi ngamagama ke sozokhuluma ngengqondo and from that faculty but mosokhula when you want to start ukuthi okay msamoko wetsa jwang ke phahla jwang ke etsa jwang so rather uzame ukuphilisa lolo lwimi lakho because language, words vibrate, colors vibrate. And then ilite lale season lena so bo Chakrahan it's not for just Chakrahan. These are tools that our Okoko also used, or this is information that was left by Okoko. It's just unfortunate from people about Pilisa, whenever you're thinking Chakra already when I saw Kambange, India, and not necessarily into Puma Gumbelingan, Lentolen, into Puma Emsabe and Lentolen, so the stone near the season Lena, it's not a very common one, but it's a flint stone. So flint stone, I want to lamaje lao or 70 ukalumlilo.
Yeah.
So those kind of stones. But if you can't find that in crystal form, you can find any fire stone, whether ke opal or ke nagate. Find those kind of stones, but collectively these gemstones bari bita di CHERT. And then in Timbi yakona kapa the metal, kapa tipi is tin, and then the incense is balsam. So balsam, I'm not too sure it's easily available, but ungastola from our side. And then the scent is a civet, and civet it's from old days, ne? They might keep her from like feline animals, so your catties, your lions, and all of that. And then the tree other season is a juniper tree, and then animals that are associated. So animals when I obviously but you can get maybe representations. But animals speak to the characteristics of the animals, or sometimes that you would see in that particular season, So these would be your felines, your domestic cats, your large cats, your hedgehog. I get the but hedgehog we know a lot there's a clan in the Bapedi tribe, but it's also a very healing tool. So for those who have maybe been in Dumbeni and then you see the like these spiky things, from a porcupine, dinoko. So this would be all in association with this lalo moya lona. So the ancients would need to observe with okay, the animal behave and then would associate it to a particular energy. So ilezo zinto ke esisichasayo the season, and help us align better nalo moya lona okhona. And then another important thing we need to touch on when nakehla is that Lenyanga Lena is actually the 9th season of our African calendar. It's actually the 9th season, because iqala inyanga yethu in September, which is the beginning for us. So right now, season ya robong kapa ushakololunye angazi ngeSwatini ithini what the number 9 is, but it's the 9th season, and we know spiritually ukuthi 9 signifies completion. And kwenziwani ngalesikhathi lesi sengikhulumile ukuthi isikhathi sentwaso kahle kahle, so from the season that we just come from angithi ngithe sivuma ukufa, so manje kule season lena it gets intensified some more ukuthi all these bodily desires that we have, whether it's thirst, bodily thirst, sexual thirst, hunger, we need to curb, we need to get to ngena entwaseni yomlilo kule season lena, sipapatisa ngomlilo, we could say, so all these things we are being purified of all these carnal or bodily desires, lenkanuko that we have in the flesh self, and you would see as well ukuthi nalabantu laba abangena ephehlweni there's certain restrictions, ukuthi okay akulalwana, you are you eating at a certain time. So this season, Nina Makesha, Nabogogo, this is a season a lot of you guys will need to, well, most of us will need to go into periods of fasting, because if fasting it helps with the mental clarity. And ngale season to those who managed to catch the episode, bengithe sizongena kule sikhathi lesi la mele intensify our spiritual eyes, singena in the psychic realm now. La mele ukwazi ukuthi mobheka umuntu uyakwazi ukuhlola umuntu umbhekile, besides maybe inhlolo zamathambo nani, but we getting now into the faculty of the mind la sizokwazi now to intensify isho lomoya, to intensify indlebe zomoya, singena esikhathini somoya, and we don't need those restrictions or lezinto lezi that hold us back ezisibambezelayo njengenkanuko khehla ngokudla, overindulgence in this period here. Mele uzimamele nelwimi lwasho ukuthi imamele, that is where you get the highest form of intelligence, because I think, Tina, as a people, we're always looking for this whole savior effect, something that is outside of us. I think I understand when we say we are gods, you're the one who has all the solutions, So if you can get into practices la, you can get into, we don't have to call it meditation if you don't want to, mar dula we mamele. Ithethe as mutu, reza as mutu. So that sense of hearing, but you're hearing yourself, the God inside of you. I don't know if you caught an episode where Ben Kulma about the laws such a hood or the natural laws, all is mind, everything starts from the mind. So that is why all the answers that you seek them from self first, seek but seek first in the kingdom of God. So you always need to go with it, imamele, because the same divinity, you have the same connection, especially as umuntu onemelanin, engaga. You are able to connect with divinity. You are able to connect with the cosmos, but it needs that period of stillness. So that is why so papa and little practices that you can do as umuntu. If you've set up your mtamo and everything, or you don't know what to do, or you don't know how to sit still, orange. Get into practices of flame gazing, you basically look at the flame. And sometimes those are not but sometimes you get messages, you can silently talk or you can talk verbally, but be gazing that flame, Get also into sun gazing. Just ilanga liqhelile from us, and it's more prominent in the northern hemisphere, but we still have that presence of the sun, and it's a beautiful time to do your sun gazing. So ungahlala phansi, sleep on your back and just meditate under the sun, So get that fiery connection that you need. And then we also have nalamasonto, Masonto Moya, or the spiritual churches. Kasesoto regare mhlambe di kereke tsa sephiri, kasesoto re ke apostoli, but like churches like Bozayoni, so where they do rituals such as the chase or so, maybe those who are familiar with it, baka explain okay. But those are basically fire rituals. So this is the element that we're going to be focusing on Gayona season in. And then also, because the orange color speaks to the sacral chakra, ne? And so as well. So you don't need to be physically epic. What so get this body of light that is you. We are all being purified. So sexual responsibility or purity if possible, is very important season, Lena, because that is also another portal as a people, we also don't understand that act, it's a very sacred act, a very sacred energy exchange act, and as you understand, and at times, but a distraction to us, So if you can exercise that power, Wuti, do not be controlled. How do you know, Wuti, you are controlling yourself, If nothing has a power over, try fasting over something that you feel it holds you back. Lento leyo does not have power over you, or that thing is something that you need to work on, Kesha.
Nema questions life you ngifuna wa confirm ngijabule ngendlela uqale ngayo ngalendzaba ye nature, even nami mhlambe noma bengingadi khona into letibuye tihlangane tonke la. Uthe wena abantu labadzala bebabuka ngemvelo ukuthi thini, so ngilaba time khona bekusengokuthi iqale mhla ka 17 lenyanga le shothi lebakubonile abantu ukuthi okay lamalanga ay 23, then lo orange le mange ubuka mina ngoba ngithi ngifuna uconfirm lento ye nature lilanga umlilo ubekisena ngelitshe lapha lokucala umlilo ukuthi tonke letinto leti thambisana nale season le ukuthi sekuyadzingeka la le ngifuna ukusho kugcwale ukufihlile kahle ngoba ngiyabona nalo 7 uyafana na 2 uthi nyalo sina 2 hours sine sinsikusile kulelanga la namuhla hayi lama hour like 7 ngifuna so it's not 2 hours usho njalo ukuthi sina 2 hours nyalo thina sikhani siceza ukuvuka nje nyalo sina 2 hours
Thokoza mkhulu. Yebo, kunjalo wena mkhulu. And ilo lwazi lo that we need to go back to, you know, ukuthi banokuseka labantu mesithi grand rising, you know, thina asithi good morning, you know, masesikhuluma nale language lena yabo, because Hamas, we also hold a lot of weight, you know. So we are rising with the sun. And more bega imvelo, you know, ngabheka bariking the monkeys.
Okay, yeah. That's one Tingobian.
Yeah. Before ilanga liphuma wena Khehla, they go before the sun and then they go and greet the sun. So the animal kingdom, they understand ukuthi, yes, as much as ilanga lishonile the night before, but okwamanje liyavuka and we are greeting the sun, you know. So these are the practices that we need to go back to as abantu wena Khehla. You know, you get bathi basibiza bo chakrahan, you know. Ekuseni mhlambe senza ama-sun salutations, bingelela ilanga. And these were things that the ancients used to do. And njengoba highlightile Khehla ukuthi ubheke the orange, ubheke ikhala yelanga, ubheke the fire. So this is but sacred knowledge that the ancients knew, but abelumbi bafikile bayitwista lolwazi lwethu, you know. But it's so primitive. But more begile, is this not high intelligence, Mar? Simple intelligence, but high intelligence at the same time.
So utsele tindo uto ti poster leti mina nawe sitobuya leli viki lelitako la, so mabafuna ukulandzela bakwenene sikhuluma ngawo because siyaqhubeka le bekuyi-introduction le asikacedzi nje, then bakulandzela kuphi ku social media?
All right, on social media, on YouTube, give the Stoned Queer podcast, so it's STONED space queer QUEER space and then podcast PODCAST, and then the handles Stoned Queer podcast Slangene. That's Facebook, that's TikTok, that's Instagram as well. So ngayithola lapho, and then from 9 o'clock if nifuna ukwazi mhlawumbe a bit more on the season, we have what I call a cosmic resonance pack or a Phahla pack, depending on which period of my life ungazi ngayo. But we have lama Phahla pack mhlawumbe azokunceda ukuthi ube in alignment with the season. So the basic pack for $169 and then the premium pack for $259. And nele ebook, it's 55 rand nayo zaba available. But those bagu membership kule YouTube channel, niyazi ukuthi ebook yenu is for free every month. And go through the ebook because niyazi ukuthi le content wena Khehla inokuba nzima kakhulu, you know, especially mesifaka nabo Medwinek abo Segment Bus, you know, because a lot of people already think into ama-Arab or into ama-American lento lena, not understanding ukuthi no. Kemet is also part of us, you know. Kemet says it's land of the blacks, you know, it speaks to the color black. And I think naleyo mele siqhaqhe, you know, ukuthi we always associating black nalezinto and whatnot, and not understanding the color, you know. Kwayona le 666, you know, they did a whole fear-mongering with the return of the beast, nan. But what if it's actually the rising of the black consciousness? Because thina zabantu le melanin yethu is from carbon. Carbon is made from 6 electrons, 6 protons, 6 neutrons. So is that not the rising of black consciousness? Kahle.
No, sitawubambana kuleli viki lelitako lo, so tobuya ngoba nje ngiyathemba mina nemlaleli sesikwatile la ukuthi lenyanga ngathi ivuna nini etinyanga nje kuphela la senifuna ukusithwasa isathi sihlangana phi naloko uyabona, so sitawubuya kahle sichache leli viki lelitako. Lokunye ngibone sofuna ukusifanisa nalaba siselele esikolweni bathi sifana netimfene ngoba uthi wena nathi sibona timfene etolona, so sitawubuya sichache leli viki lelitako. Siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga Khehla, ngiyabonga kakhulu.